Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make the TikTok trend anime video on CapCut. So the video will look like this. So it will change your face from the original photo into an anime character, and here is what you need to do to make that edit. So first open a CapCut and then click on new project and choose the photo that you want to change into an anime character. So for example, I want to change these photos right here and adjust the durations of the photo into 10 seconds long. Okay, and after that go to style and swipe until you find the comic option. Okay, this one, click on that and then click on a check icon and then export this video. Okay, so after exporting, you can just go back to CapCut and then go to the template, and here you need to go to the search column and find the Douyin template. Okay, so you can see Douyin trend TikTok, click on that, and then here is the template. So what you need to do is click on the use template and add the original photo as the in the first place here, and then for the third and the second, choose the video that you previously exported, this one, and then again, and then click on next, and here is the result. Okay, so that is how you can edit the TikTok trend anime video on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.